Welcome back to the Wfh Korna for our 12 Days of Christmas series. Today is our 12th day. Oh my God, it was really fun creating and uploading every day for you guys. If you've missed the other 11 days, be sure to check out the playlist. Now, to wrap things up, here's my angelic voice. On the 12th day of Christmas, get ready to take a leap. Here are 12 ways to make money while you sleep.
Haters will say they won't miss my singing.
My mentors always say that if you want to gain financial freedom, create a legacy, and live life on your own terms, you need at least 7 streams of passive income. But because I'm extra, today we're looking at not 7 or 10, but 12 unconventional passive income ideas. So if you know that 2024 is all about leveling up your income, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's explore some unique opportunities together. I promise by the end of this video, you'll be buzzing with excitement. Let's jump in. Have you ever been told you have the handwriting of a calligrapher? Well, put it to work. You can turn your unique penmanship into digital fonts and sell them online. Platforms like Etsy or Creative Market are perfect for showcasing your lettering skills. Who knew your doodles could turn into dollars? This next passive income idea has been making waves. Have you ever thought about curating your own subscription box? Whether it's unique snacks, handmade crafts, or even mystery items, subscription box are all the rave. Check out platforms like Create Joy to set up your own subscription service. It's a fantastic way to turn your passions into a recurring income stream. It wouldn't feel right to do a video about passive income and not mention YouTube. I am aware though that the fear of public speaking can be crippling. And so, here's a faceless idea. Consider creating tranquility or motivational videos. There's a growing audience hungry for relaxation and inspiration. YouTube can be your canvas, turning your soothing voice and motivational talks into a stream of income. Now, we all have that one friend who is lyrically inclined like the renowned Vybz Kartel.
A new year, yeah, me want see the dollar sign, yeah. Me no pretty pass me eye blind, yeah. Is a new beginning, me a look.
Run go tell them so them poetic ingenuity can earn them some coins. Did you know you can get paid for your heartfelt words? Greeting Card University is a platform where writers like you or your friend can submit your own verses. Imagine people across the globe connecting emotionally with your words. It's like spreading joy and earning money at the same time. Now, if greeting cards aren't your thing, but you know how to captivate an audience, consider creating and selling ebooks. Whether it's fiction, self-help, or niche topics. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy for you to share your wisdom with the world and make some passive income in the process. I've spoken about this before, but just in case you missed it in my side hustle video, I'm going to mention it again. This type of gig has untapped potential. And I know many of you guys have an embarrassing amount of sky videos, landscape, and food pics that you could share with others. Visual content is a real money maker. So if you're handy with a camera, start creating stock footage or photography. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to monetize your visuals. It's like your photos doing a side hustle while you focus on other things. Another photographer-friendly way to earn passive income is to license your photos for merchandise. So if you love photography, take it up a notch. License your photos for use on merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Websites like Printful allow you to integrate with e-commerce platforms and earn a royalty each time your photo is used. Art of Wear and Society6 also allow for these types of royalty earnings.
This is gonna sound corny as hell.
Now that's turning pixels into profit. But we're not done. Dive into the world of automated printables on Etsy. Design planners, journals, or any printable item. Set up your shop and let Etsy handle the transactions. It's like running a digital store while you enjoy life offline. Now, if your country is not eligible on Etsy, you could try Amazon KDP for low content books. The level of confidence that Canva is out here giving the girls is unmatched. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer to make money with your creative designs. You could use Canva to create stunning templates, graphics, or social media content. Sell your designs on sites like Etsy or even Canva's own marketplace, earning royalties each time someone purchases your work. And that's more often than you think. Feel tech savvy? Consider building an app or game. Now, you don't have to be a coding genius, because platforms like Billbox or Bubble make it accessible for everyone. But if you are, that's a major flex. Monetize through ads and in-app purchases, and watch your creation turn into a passive income powerhouse. Now, if you have a little disposable income that you'd like to compound, coupled with an interest in real estate, but not the headaches, consider real estate crowdfunding on platforms like Fundrise. How it works is that you invest in real estate projects, and as they grow, so does your passive income. It's like having a virtual property portfolio. Another fun way to make money while you sleep is by creating and selling sound effects. Ever wondered where all those cool sound effects in movies and videos come from? Well, they could be yours. Create and sell unique sound effects on platforms like Audio Jungle, whether it's the perfect or an otherworldly beat. Your creation could be the secret sauce for someone else's project. So upload, sell, and let the royalties turn your creativity into a steady stream of passive income. Here's a bonus one for the persons who love gadgets and tools that have grown into a massive collection.
My father and husband would make bank off a venture like this in Jamaica. They are subtle hoarders.
Declutter your life and make money by renting out your stuff. Whether it's camera gear, power tool, or even camping equipment. Platforms like Fatlama connect you with people willing to pay for a short-term rental. Your items, their enjoyment, and some extra cash for you. I know you may be antsy about damage or theft, because I would be. So I checked their lender guarantee on their website, and it said, as per our terms of service at Fatlama, renters who fail to return or damage an item are liable to pay the full replacement or repair costs of that item, regardless of the circumstances. However, in the event that the renter is not cooperating and the payment is delayed, we have got you covered. When you rent your items on Fatlama, every item is covered by our guarantee up to £25,000 in the UK, 30,000 in the US, and 40,000 in Canada per item. Whew, that's a relief. I don't know about you, but I'm all about making money while I sleep. And as you must have realized, this video covers multiple skill sets and then some. Some can even be done with little to no experience. So you have no excuse unless money back gonna offer you. Remember, the key is to find what aligns with your interests. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more money-making tips and share it with anyone you know dreaming of financial freedom. Until next time, stay savvy, stay hustling, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye! On the 12th day of Christmas, get ready. So if you know that 2024 is all about leveling up your income, if you know that now the level of confidence that Canva is giving these girls,